Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in the Photopea app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. Find the Photopea app, now open it. Tap onto the simple editor button, now choose from library. And tap onto one photo that you want to edit. Now to draw a straight line to your photo, here you can find the pencil icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and select it. Now from here choose one color of the brush. Then simply draw a straight line to your photo, just like this. Now add how much straight line you want to add to your photo, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can draw a straight line on your photo in the Photopea app. It is very simple and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.